Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Adobe.
Okay, so on this tutorial or on this clip, we're going to be talking about using the blending options to sharpen. What we want to do on this little clip is I'm going to go into my blending options, and I will zoom in for you here. And usually you're going to find these either in your layers palette or on your brush tool way up here on mode where my cursor is. That's the blending option right there. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using the layers blending option. All you have to do is make sure that this sky copy right here is clicked, and you want to go down on the list and hit overlay. Now, for the most part, you're not going to really see any difference. But if we click off, and I'm actually going to zoom in for you guys. If we click off, you can see how soft the image is until we actually click on this top layer. Let me show you the house. The house just pops out at you a whole bunch more. You can actually see more detail. You probably will get some noise, but other than that, there's probably not going to be too much with this image to where you can actually even tell. It really works really well on some images, and it really doesn't work too well on others. But this is an option for you guys, and this is what I'm trying to do, is give you guys options. So if you like, you can use this, or you can just throw it away. And you can just throw it away just like that, and you're going to get your normal everyday picture. And you can actually use filter on sharp mask to get yourself a sharp image if you like. But I'm just trying to show you guys how to use blending options, and I'm going to move on to my next clip.